All right, we are live. We are live. Keep you guys muted for the first 2 minutes. Yo, Abe's getting. Oh, I got it pretty much set up, but I haven't looked at it. Haven't looked at it since. I'll mess with it later on. All right. Get sound check from one of you. Abe's.
What happened?
All right.
What happened?
Oh, I was just checking the sound.
Oh. So it's actually sending like a notification that you're live now, bro,
Hmm?
on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
It sent me a notification you're live.
Oh, we don't.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
Hmm? Alfred, you just now noticing that we don't?
Yeah, just now. I saw
11 minutes. I think my internet's better today.
It's been a while since you had this issue with the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, man. There was an outage last night. Actually, yeah, there was an outage last night. There was an outage maybe a week ago.
Yeah.
And then
Outage, like,
yeah, there's been like 2 or 3 times
Hey,
now
Garfield.
where the speed just drops down to nothing.
pay
no.
your bills.
Ain't got nothing to do with the bills, Pineda. Like yesterday, my speed was 1 megabyte, man. It was ridiculous. We can't stream under those conditions. I think we're good now. Good today. No drop frames yet.
What's the support right now in the queue?
Yesterday's low,
For me,
370,
it is
318.
70 or 60.
Yeah, if we break yesterday's low, it could be nasty down to 170.
That's where we are now.
We're at 370.
Yeah, that's where we are.
We got 200 points to the upside, 200 points to the downside.
Yeah, the low day.
140 to the upside, 200 to the downside. The daily chart is range bound, 370 to 600.
We might very well be here, stay here again.
Possible.
Because there's no way to go down. I mean, I don't say there's a reason to go up either.
It's possible. We just slide for a while.
Yeah, I think it's a sideways day. I think we're going to go sideways.
We got a huge wedge on the daily that could last for another week or more before it breaks up or down. But we got news on Thursday. We got a little bit of news at 10 o'clock this morning. Nothing major, but it might just be enough to shake it up a bit. ABC pattern on the daily. So we could start a new wave down or a new wave up any day now. Any day now. Minutes. 7 minutes. $487 is the top of the range.
Yeah, I was looking at the ES, and I'm thinking we can do another range, start forming a range up. I was looking at it this morning on the daily.
Look at that ES on the
So
daily.
we came down pretty far.
ES on the daily looks pretty much the same.
Yeah.
The hell is that thing doing? Oh, that's a big order coming through.
I'm thinking chop for a second, then start making another move to the upside.
Big
Because
sell
we've
order.
been coming down. We've been coming down since the 1st of August.
170 contracts on the S&P at 508. Sellers. What you say, Black Ops? What you say? What you say? He gone. Can we get some volume today? Averages are pointing up. Averages are flat on the 5. Pointing down on the 15. Starting to slow down on the hour. So down, down, flat, and up. Mixed signals. Chop, chop. Choppy, chop. Currently, the NASDAQ is a little more volatile than the other two. Looks a bit more bouncy. And the other two. Yesterday, the Dow was super bullish. Today, the Dow, not so much. $20-point ATR on the Dow already. $13 points on the NASDAQ. 3 points on the S&P. Wow. If the S&P is at 3 points, the NASDAQ should be at 20.
Yes, we got 3.13.
Yesterday afternoon, the Dow was trading at 20.
Damn, we're gonna shit into the open.
Find out in 3 minutes.
I just place all my trades now. Shit, fuck the trading, man. If I get 250 more, I might be done.
The book is skewed more to the downside, but we've got.
Yeah, no, we have support down here that's on the ES.
350.
I saw it this morning.
350 to 400.
Yeah.
Range bound on the book with more liquidity to the downside currently. We had a big sell order come through the S&P 4 minutes ago.
Yeah, 48.
Yeah.
Yeah, 148. We got another 139, 136, 121.
Two minutes. We're at the 370 mark. 370, 370.
Let's go, people.
90 seconds.
What do you think?
Choppy.
Yeah.
Choppy and slow like yesterday. Hopefully that 10 o'clock news will give us a little volatility maybe. We could get nasty. I think we hold the range though. Find out. 1 minute. Got roughly the same amount of room to go in both directions. Choose wisely. 30 seconds. We had a seller come in above the ask at 408 S&P 50 contracts. Above the ask. Here we go. 370. Another 50s at 409.75 S&P.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
We got some
What's
support
money?
at 350. I'm sorry, that seller was below the bid, you guys. He was not above the ask, he was below the bid. That thing's going up, so that's interesting. Nice little bit of volatility there at the open. Not very much. What do we have? 350, 25-point range so far. Trend has shifted to the downside. $200 contracts sold. S&P 408, 409. Dow's getting nasty. Dow's moving more than the Nasdaq. If you guys want to have a little bit more opportunity than we're seeing on the Nasdaq so far. Get ready. We give up this weekly level. I think it's at 300. No, it's at 200. We break yesterday's low. We could see 300 and then 200 as bounce points. Tons of sellers on the S&P. Tons and tons. $350 is the last. No. That buyer stacked up down to 27. 50 to 27. Point of control is 60. VWAP's at 400. Looks like we were right. Slow and choppy. No volume. Better opportunity on the Dow to make money. Dow's bouncing. The Nasdaq is not. And the S&P is giving a little bit of a bounce.
Come on.
20 seconds on the range. Dow's getting wrecked again.
I am long.
I want to go short. A little early, Gonfer. What are you doing trading this early? $370. Let's go for Gonfer. If we can hit the top of the wedge, Gonfer, you've got 377 resistance. Dow's getting heavy. Made a new low. S&P is heavy. I'm going short.
Order filled.
Tell me I didn't get in too early. Dow's getting making the low. S&P is pushing lower. Green. I feel like we're going to be choppy, so I'm probably going to lock in halfway to target right there. Come on a little more. Come on. Right there. No. A little
Order
lower.
submitted.
A little lower. There we go.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. They filled me? at 63 while the price was at 73, I'll take it. I'll take it all day. I'll take it all day. Nice. Locked in 150. Got another 150 working. Target is 54. I need to move that. No, I'll leave it at 54. 55. Let's go. Oh,
Target
I got filled at
filled.
55 while we were at 60. What the fuck? I'm up 500 bucks. Let's go, bitches.
Check your fills, check your
I ain't-
things. Make sure it's
I
all
ain't-
good.
I ain't checking shit. All right, switching to the other account. Dow made a new low. Getting wrecked. S&P. Heavy. Switching to the other eval. That was an easy trade, you guys. Especially when I got, you know what? It might just be, I'm either having a little bit of lag on my chart, or there's a lot of market orders getting filled. Getting wrecked, boys. Dow bounce back up. S&P little bounce. And, Dow's bouncing back above the previous low. S&P's got a little base at 501. Some buying at 504. NASDAQ. 15-minute level here at 42. I got 10 points of slippage on both of those trades, contracts. The first one got filled while the price was going up. It was incredible. Incredible. Nice bounce. The Dow is back going down. S&P bounce. I think I want to short again. I'm short.
Order filled.
Take one off halfway to target.
Order submitted.
Don't stop me now. The Dow looks like it's gonna bounce. I should get out. S&P's bouncing.
Order filled.
What the hell? Oh, I took one off. Small loss. Still holding the other. Let's see here. The Dow's still bouncing. I'm gonna lock in right here. All right, down $5 on the second account.
Order canceled.
Don't like that trade anymore. Actually, oh, I made $82 on that. That's weird. That is so weird. I was down $5 when I locked it in and got $82 in profit. And now it's dumping. Son of a bitch.
Oh, trader.
Can't complain, man. I can't complain. I got out. I tried to get out break even, made a little bit of money because the Dow is
I missed this trade.
The S&P's ripping.
How can I miss this price? I miss this trade. I miss this trade.
You didn't miss nothing, sir.
Fuck. No, there's a trade I missed it.
The Dow and the S&P are going up. Bouncy. S&P's actually heavy now. Dow is still bouncy, man. The Nasdaq turned over. 44 contract seller on the S&P at the Nasdaq at 360. Two contract seller on the S&P. Dow's getting smacked back to the previous low. We're going down, boys. Going down. There's a guy sitting down at 200 on the Nasdaq. The Dow's about to make a new low of day. S&P is about to break that base at 402. S&P's Nasdaq's got that 342 low of day. New York session coming up fast. The Dow's about to get nasty, it looks like. Nope, I'll see a little bit.
All right, I'm done for the day. Got my 1100.
Sweet. S&P is breaking that base.
I'm out.
Breaking that base, you guys. Nasdaq broke that 42. The Dow looks like it's getting ready to drop. Nope, bouncing.
Oh, could have stayed in that. My target, nigga.
S&P is getting
Didn't take
nasty.
it. Nope.
Nasdaq's
Yeah, it's
getting
getting
nasty,
nasty.
boys.
Getting nasty right now, trader.
If we break that
Ooh.
318, we're going 200.
Oh, we broke the 500. Broke the 500. Ooh, man, I got out way
There's
too
the
early.
low.
Ooh, we.
Get nasty. I hope gone for shorting.
The low's coming.
Gone for
The low's coming at 495, but it might bounce. See the low down there, trader?
Yeah. The Dow's just hanging out at the low. Nasdaq's at the
I got out of
low.
good. I don't be greedy.
The S&P is the only one. S&P is the only one that hasn't hit the low yet.
Yeah, I got out early. No big deal. Want to lock it in, but I think we're gonna come down to like 495.
Going 300. 300, and then we're going 200. Got a potential to 170. We got news in 14 minutes. Little news, small news, but still news at the top of the hour. Perhaps I should have held stuck to my gun. Don't trust him. I don't trust him. Get short golfer.
No,
You didn't try and get long again, did you?
I tried.
Oh, why? Is it bad or
Order failed.
is it kosher?
It's bad.
Bad? Meh. Did you blow your funded account?
No.
Alright. Did you blow your eval?
No.
Alright, well then it's not that bad. Let's go.
Come on, okay.
So,
Give me some money here, please.
are you watching my screen? Are you watching my screen?
I think we should bounce.
If you,
Yeah, my small bouncer.
The Dow is still heavy.
There's still a lot of selling orders on the
A lot of
tape.
selling. I'm thinking probably right around the ES previous low, coming up right around 495. Might see a little bit of support for a scalp.
The Dow is still heavy. Getting ready to make a new low. We got a thick.
Yeah, Johnny, I'm watching your stream, Johnny.
We got
That thing
thick
took me out.
order at 300. Chunky 360 contracts sitting at 300.
so the last 4 blocks are the big orders. 50 plus, 100 plus on Nasdaq.
The Dow just got nasty, guys. S&P is getting nasty. We got a weekly level at 305. Down to, if that breaks, we got down to 200. 280, I'm sorry, 280. With the potential bounce at 300.
Now I lost the funded account.
Oh my gosh, you still going long?
Yeah.
A lot of selling orders, bro, on the tape. A lot.
Oh,
It's
this is
red.
brutal. This is brutal. New low.
It's red. We're dumping, bro. We're dumping.
It blew
Dow,
through
nasty.
it like it was nothing. That's crazy.
I'm done for the day. Funded accounts up 310. My other evals up 800.
Nice.
We're dumping, bro. A lot of red on the tape. A lot.
Well, lock it in, guys. Lock it in. Don't try and get greedy.
Don't be greedy. Yeah, don't be greedy, guys.
I
We
gave
should get
that
a little
in.
bounce anytime.
Yeah. At least right here, at least. Don't buy the bottom. Don't sell the bottom.
We usually bounce like at the 80s.
I'm showing 286 on the book, but my Nasdaq's at 305, so I got some lag. Now it's down to
Still getting
295.
nasty, bro. A lot of red. A lot of red on the tape. A lot of red. More orders
280,
coming
you
in.
guys.
Red.
280. Get ragged.
There's some buying going on right now.
The Dow is
We're
nasty.
still dumping, bro.
S&P made that new low a day.
Eight, I think those are stops. The buying, I think just stop.
Yeah, there's
I think
stops.
those are stops. Yes, stops.
Yeah, because the tape is so red.
So my mistake is I really wanted to see big orders on the break, but you have to go with price action.
Yeah, there's some buying right there. There we go.
You have to go with price action and short on big.
9 minutes. 280,
So
weekly
it's
level.
not-
Lots of buy
Orders
orders.
failed.
Tons of buy orders coming in.
Yeah.
Tons
long.
of buy orders. The Dallas is still just heavy.
I'm long.
The
Price
S&P
action
is
is
heavy.
short and big. Short and big. It's like that's the fault.
Yeah, new
That's
low.
the fault.
New lows, new
All
lows.
right.
See all
We
those
should
buy
get a
orders that
bounce.
came in and we wrecked? Those were people taking profit.
Yeah, like I did.
We have
Bird.
Yes, I'm done.
Nice.
Order filled.
S&P's got an hourly level at 90.
All right, I'm out. Scalp
All
20
buyers
points.
came in at 90.
Scalp 20 points. Go.
Nice.
I'm up
Gold.
1,000 on the eval.
You're what?
I'm up 1,000 on the eval.
Nice. There's the bounce on the Dow.
All right, I'm closing this shit.
Bounce on
Closing
the
it.
S&P. Small bounce on the Nasdaq. 7 minutes till news. Light news. Moving averages are down, 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 down. We got potential for a bounce. S&P, nice bounce. Dow, nice bounce.
I'll say a
Nasdaq, not a
potential
nice
continuation.
bounce yet. Nice bounce on the Dow. Nice bounce on the S&P. No bounce on the Nasdaq. Maybe an entry for a short here on the Nasdaq 300.
And we called that bounce perfectly. Nice, Mr. Berg. Get paid.
The Dow is putting
Yes.
in a damn reversal candle on the 5 minute. What did Berg do?
We're waiting for that breakout.
The Nasdaq's just not doing nothing.
I just passed my threshold on my live account.
Did what?
I'm above my threshold. My trading threshold.
Very nice. Time to make a withdrawal.
I need 5 more days. I guess today's day 5. I thought it was day 6. 5 more days.
5 more days. You gonna go ham or you gonna take
Like,
it?
nah, I'm gonna take it easy. I got 1 more day on another account. It's already hit the profit target.
You gotta be careful though because of the 30%.
No.
If your next 5
Well, I
trades,
have another one that is go live.
if your next 5 trades are too small, they might give you some issues with your withdrawal. Dow's turning over.
I've been trading. I've been making $300-400. I don't think they trip, bro. To be honest, as long as you're consistent.
They keep it in check. It takes the contract and they can't really like figure out the trend. But in this
S&P is
market,
turning over. I think this is
Yeah, the biggest orders I've seen today are on the buy side. This is why it's just like I've been. That's also why I've been short because the biggest moves that I've seen are on the buy side. There's 2 of them, both on the Nasdaq, and which could have been stops, like we said. I thought they were stops, but the other thing is like I didn't see volume when we broke down that low of the day. So the 320
Is
basically.
Jörn
I
streaming?
didn't see orders.
Dow's getting heavy. S&P is getting heavy. Short entry at 300 Nasdaq.
That's what I'm
Dow's going for the low. Dow's making a new low. How many points are we down from the open? 375 down to 275, 100 points.
Like 100 points, 90 points.
Yeah, previous low could actually be a better entry, 318. Oh, the Dow's getting wrecked. S&P's pulling. I want to short at 300.
Nasdaq's pushing up.
Yeah, that's why I want to short.
It's, the other,
Order
value,
submitted.
the tape
Order
is
filled.
done
I'm short.
shortly right now. Okay, good. I mean, it's good. It's just that's.
I don't care about the tape. The Dow's getting fucking wrecked. The S&P is getting fucking wrecked. Let's go.
It's a good arguments. Yeah, I'm with you on that. I'm supporting you on that.
Let's go. Let's go.
I have a hard time to hear you, Journey.
Right
It's
here.
far
You're so
away.
low.
It's
No,
far
right here.
away.
Oh, why you put Can you hear me now?
It's a bit low. Hey, I have you at 80% and still low.
Yeah. Like, is it better
Oh,
now?
we
Now
got
it's
news
better.
coming.
Now it's better.
What's your average, trader?
Order submitted.
That's why you couldn't get.
Order filled.
94.
Your average?
I took one off. I'm at 94. Took one off. We got news coming. 2 minutes. I forgot.
There we go.
I'm out.
Order canceled.
So yeah, the again, they're on the buy side. That tape is on the buy side right now.
I got paid.
How much more you need to get funded?
One account needs. What's the target? 2,500? Oh, 3K. I need 1,400 on one and 2,500 on the other. This one, the new one is on day 2. The bigger one is on day 5.
I'll cancel my Bullinox account, guys.
So
Nice, good job.
we're dumping, guys. The Dow is going down. The S&P is going down.
But the third thing that it
Where's
was
my
only
fucking
$400
chart?
away.
Shit. Berg,
What's that, Bert?
David.
I canceled my Bullinox account. I
You
was
cashed your
$400 away to getting funded on $46,000 target.
So you passed it or you blew it?
No, I was $400 away to pass it.
He canceled
Fast.
it. He canceled
But,
it. Berg.
So I canceled it. But
Focus.
it's so freaking expensive to
Oh my god. I'll be
to
back.
get funded. It's like $256 to get it funded.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
15 seconds.
no way.
Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds.
Need to send this to Richard. I think he's gonna be happy.
Berg.
Yes.
Let's keep it relevant to trading. Please. Please, please.
Yes.
All right, top of the hour. Small news. Doesn't look like anybody cares. The Dow bounced off the new low. The S&P hanging on to that 93. Looking heavy.
The daily looks so heavy, bro. Heavy.
What was yesterday's low?
We're already below it.
All right, then the potential is 170.
The low was like 320, 330 around there. We're way below it. Pushing back down.
Dow's pushing up. S&P's going down. Nasdaq's going down.
Getting heavy, guys. We're getting heavy. There we go. New low. Nasdaq.
S&P broke that 93,
Weak low.
going for a new low.
Still pushing down. Still pushing down, guys.
The Dow starting to roll over. S&P looks
We might dump
nasty.
like 400 points today, bro.
We got 170 potential. How many points will that be? Another 100 points, and we're currently down 220. 320. The Dow's bouncing. Doesn't mean nothing, but the S&P is giving a little wiggle.
Come on.
S&P back at 93. Dow refuses to move lower. There's a weekly level at 280 on the Nasdaq. Should be a resistance. Should be some resistance there.
'60 is a strong level, right? 260, right?
I got nothing at 60.
And then we have
Nothing.
64.
Got nothing at 60 or 64. What do you have?
I got 60. I got a high volume node at 60.
Oh,
Sorry, 64. I mean. Today's 45.
consolidation. Lower wicks on the 15. Short lower wicks on the hour. Dow trying to climb. S&P trying to climb. Nasdaq climbing. 300 is going to be a tough spot. 305. 304. Weekly level. 304. We got us a daggone bear flag, you guys. Or is it a 10 o'clock reversal? Time will tell.
Tape is big ass reversal.
Time will
So
tell.
the reason why is because the big orders on the buy side, there are no big orders dumping this. All the big orders that came in when we thought it was the stop.
Oh, huge
now,
buyer,
big
huge
ass
buyer,
reversal.
Nasdaq 301
Big buy on the net.
under
Yep,
contracts.
there you go. So price action on the tape. Let's go. That's a deep buy. So that is long.
That was right at that weekly level too, and 300, 301.
I'm going long.
Potential to moving averages is 340. We hit the 20 on the 1 minute and rejected it. Dow's going back to the bottom of the range it's formed. S&P doesn't have as much of a range, but same. And Nasdaq, you don't want to go any lower than 87, Journey.
Yeah, I decided to pull the trigger long. We'll see. Or maybe it's just like, you know, the top of the, it's either the top of the flag, I mean, like we're going down, and then that was like a basically, you know, the sell off, the tip, or either it's a reversal. We'll see. It's one or the other. If something's gonna happen, we got a little volume here.
One thing that is
Buy.
undeniable: somebody purchased 100 contracts. Was that a
It could be
short?
stopped.
Could be a
Could be stopped.
short covering. We just had a big order on the S&P. 88 contracts purchased. The Dow's getting nasty. The S&P is holding 95. Nasdaq's not going any lower than the 87.
Yeah, the big buy was at 300. We got 300 and 275. And then on the S&P was at 91. 491. So it was below on the S&P.
100 contracts. S&P at 91,705. The Dow range bound. S&P I don't know what you want to call it. Nasdaq range bound.
Yeah, going down. When you said down, yeah, like range bound, but it's too heavy.
I just don't want to see it go under 87. It was the body of the two candles in the last dump, the dump and the bounce. 287 was the open and close of those two candles. Pushing on it now. The Dow is holding that range. Bouncy a little, but heavy.
Going
He's
long.
pushing back up. Dow's bouncing, S&P's climbing, Nasdaq's lagging behind.
Need to get 300 down. 300. Oh. We need to gain 300. Forget 300, then that's it. We're bouncing. But like you said, it could be a bear flag, and then you can seller can show up and
Liquidities from 250 to 325. VWAP and point of controls at 63. Moving averages are at 43 on the 5-minute. Projected the 20 on the 1-minute. Going down. Well below the 87 now. You got the weekly level at 280. That's your line in the sand.
yeah, I get top. On top.
Dow's barely moving inside that little tight ass range.
I
S&P.
wouldn't go long on this though.
S&P.
Yeah,
S&P.
the
Higher lows so far. Looking heavy. Dow's starting to look heavy. We're going to get new low, guys. 250.
yeah, price action is and then
The last order on the books at 250. A lot of liquidity showing up to the upside though. See what happens. 250. There's nothing else to the downside currently. The Dow's testing the bottom of the range. Now S&P is going for a new low. Nasdaq's going for a new low. Gold ain't doing shit. New low Dow. The Dow just got nasty. We're going 250, guys. 30 points. 20 points. It hit 240. Light liquidity to 27. Should have took that rejection on the 1 minute chart at 297 short. New low, big buy order, S&P, 111 contracts. We're going down.
Yeah, the tape line today. You're right. The tape line now. I say, but now we have a flash on the tape.
Big
So now
buyer,
we're showing
200 contracts
big
on the
sellers
ES.
also
Big buy
on
orders.
ES.
Two
I
blocks.
thought that I see that as a sell.
Blocks purchased on the S&P, 212 contracts.
At 238.
Nasdaq,
Sell at 490.
Dow bounced. S&P bounced. Nasdaq bounced.
Order filled.
Doing. What is that, Moses? Order filled? Dow
Yes,
bounced.
me.
Went long.
Yeah. Went
Dow,
long, but
the
got
Dow,
out too quickly.
Dow bounced back to the range and then pushed back down. Nasdaq can't get over previous low. Liquidity up to 310. 310 could hold it under 295. That seller. He's not very big. Dow's getting wrecked again, going for a new low. S&P same. Might want to get out of that long, Moses, while you still can.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. S&P breaks new low.
There goes the Nasdaq going down. Dow's getting nasty. Nasty. Oh, the S&P's getting fucking wrecked. 250 here. 250. Big buy order on that Nasdaq 100 contracts. 256. Could be profit taking on the short side. Followed by a seller at 34 contracts. I think I'm done trading today. I'm up 700.
Nice. I'll take that. I will take that.
The only reason is because I missed this amazing short on 300. We're down 240 on the day. That's your typical range. We could do another 200 points. 100 points. The Dow is going down. I think we get another move down. Both the S&P, all three of them are looking heavy. We're at 250. Light liquidity down to 25 and 12. Somebody bought 100 contracts at 56 on the Nasdaq. The last time they bought 100 contracts, it fucking dumped. Maybe it's the same guy trying again. He's just trying to get back in again. 65 contracts purchased. 61.75. That was, the price didn't even go up there. What the heck?
We're at a pivot on the S&P.
The Dow looks heavy. The Dallas heavy. .40 range on the Dow. It's going to make a new low. It might have already done it. 22 points on the Nasdaq. 5 points on the S&P, you guys. Whew. We're volatile. New low Dow, new low S&P, followed by the Nasdaq any second now. Big seller on the S&P 91 contracts at 84. Oh, 300 contracts. We dumping, boys. New low, everything. New low on everything. Liquidity down to 212. This could be second leg and it's almost complete already. Second leg almost complete. Another 40 points or so could do it. That would be 200. Oh. Oh. Oh, those were buy orders. Those weren't sell orders. Those weren't sell orders. They just bought about 400 contracts of the S&P.
No, it's back. Yeah, they bought a lot of them.
Dow is not bouncing. It's still heavy.
It's so volatile. Ultimately.
Volatile. Yeah, we got a huge. I mean, 5-point ATR on the ES is ridiculous. The Nasdaq's not as volatile. 22 points is average. I don't look at the Dow enough to know if 40 is above average or not, but 40-point ATR on the Dow, 5 points on the S&P. That's crazy.
Oh, we're going down. There's no way. Just the Nasdaq is not as bearish, but yeah, you look at the ES, it's clear.
Can't believe I called those out as sell orders, man.
On the Nasdaq, I think
Oh, those
it
were
is.
sell orders. Those were sell orders. They sold a shit ton of ES. 3, 4,
How about the dip?
600 contracts at 84 and 85.
9 orders coming in on the
Yeah.
tape.
There's a lot of green right now. It's been more like Nasdaq has been so much more bullish than
There's more buying, more buying.
yeah. Missed that dip.
I'm out. Locked in 150. More buying. Ooh, a lot of selling orders.
Nice exit, brother.
Somebody
Nice
just
exit.
bought
I exit right before
150.
that dump.
That's a pretty nice exit, Dave. Shit. You lucky bastard.
150 contracts purchased on the S&P at 88.50.
Wow, the tape is printing right now. A lot of orders.
Yeah.
A lot of buying orders. Ooh, a lot.
Dow looks like it's going to bounce. Huge buy order on the S&P. Oh wait,
S&P
those are
is
sell
bouncing off
orders,
that
man.
pivot. MJ, you see that pivot on S&P?
I think the sellers are hiding
They're selling on the ES, but it's going up.
and they're hiding too. They're not showing up. They like putting all orders. The tape
Dow,
is still like
Dow's going down.
yeah. I mean, yes, has some big sell orders, but
Tons of sell orders.
Nasdaq does not. You see, Nasdaq is not on the
The-
sell side.
The Nasdaq's been lagging behind the other two all morning. The Dow's making a new low.
Okay, all right. That shorted. If the Dow making a new low, that shorted.
The Dow made a new low, but it's a weak low. It's a weak low currently.
Yeah, that low is ahead anyway.
Weak
I'm just
low.
telling that. Okay.
S&P's
There you
pushing
go.
down.
Selling orders on the Nasdaq. A few of them.
I'm going down.
The Dow moved us a little bit lower. It's still a weak low.
Yeah. buyers. Good scalp either way. Hey,
Dow, new low. S&P approaching the lows.
More selling orders.
Oh, I'd love to short it. I don't want to short the bottom though.
maybe it's not the bottom.
It might not be.
I know.
We might only drop 30 more points and then whipsaw, then 30 reversal.
My good.
The,
My good.
the low on the Dow is weak.
Here comes a new low, guys.
There you go.
There it is. A lot of selling orders came in.
That's a weak low on the Nasdaq. I'm not seeing any.
It was weak.
It's weak.
I don't see any sell orders on the Nasdaq.
I did. I see about
Well, we got different filters.
12.
I'm filtering for.
I'm on the 10, bro.
I think I'm filtering for 25 or 30.
I'm on the 10. You can see all those orders that you're looking on the 20.
I feel like 10 contracts are gamblers. YOLO artists. Ripping. That was a weak low on the Dow. Bounce back.
Hey, boy.
Double bottom on the S&P. Double bottom on the Nasdaq. $70 contracts purchased on the S&P at 87. There's a ton of selling at 88 prior. It only went down 3 points, so we could see some short covering here. Dow gave a nice bounce. S&P. This is just another consolidation range. Second leg is not complete.
All right, guys. I'm gonna step out. I'll be back in a little bit.
Later.
Later, brother.
Later.
15-minute is showing a little bit of a reversal candle, but that can change any moment now. The hour still looks nasty. Dow's putting in some tight candles at the bottom, but looking heavy. S&P same, looking heavy. Nasdaq same. $15 not looking so bouncy anymore. Tight candle though. New candle in 5 minutes. $15 looks like a little doji. I mean, it is a doji. What was that? Big sell order. S&P 82 contracts at 86.50. He's about to get his head ripped off.
I know about the dip, but I'm going with the Nasdaq, and then the Nasdaq is bouncy. If S&P is gonna bounce, Nasdaq's gonna rip. I'm ripping.
He sold another 100 contracts at 88. He's getting his head ripped off.
Yeah.
The Dow is at the top of the range. S&P's at the top of the range. Nasdaq's at the top of the range.
Look what time is it? I have 4 more minutes. Come on, rip me so you can get 3
Watch.
more minutes.
280 weekly level.
Yeah, 76 is my exit.
Currently at the top
75
of the
is
range, consolidation range.
Yeah.
We got
I'm
Doji.
getting some more buy.
15 minutes
I
is
almost won.
15 minutes bullish candle. Here's your exit. Get filled.
Here's my exit. Here's my exit.
Nice. You
Here's
done?
my exit. I'm flat.
You done?
Great.
You done?
Right, good. Yeah, done. I'm flat. I'm green. I'm done. Funded. Let's go.
Nice. Congratulations, Journey.
Funded again or
Nice
green
job,
in the
bro.
funded account?
Yeah. That's what I meant. I'm green in the funded account.
Nice.
And then, yeah, everything good
There's
today.
that weekly level 280. We got potential to 90.
All right, guys. That was a nice trading day.
Good
Thanks for
session.
watching. Over here. And reach out. Thank you for watching. Join the stream. Tick stream. The best tick stream. I have the best tick stream. If you want to see the best tick stream, come to join the stream. All right, good day, guys. Good day. Good deal. Hope everybody has a good day. I'll be back later.
Toodaloo,
Fuck with the bro.
Buckaroo.
No, a red day so far.
Yeah. It was a hard. I mean, the tape wasn't helping, and you had to go with the price action.
They bought
And all your trades.
56 contracts at 71.50 above the ask. That was 10 points ago. Above the ask. Nobody's buying the S&P, but it's ripping. The Dow. Everything's showing a reversal. 1030 reversal. The Nasdaq could hit 89 and reject that 50 on the one. Could be just a relief bounce, what do they call it? A bear rally. Either a bear rally or a full reversal. We'll find out in 15 minutes. Big buy order on the S&P 91 contracts at 91.25. The top of the previous little bounce was 498 S&P and 307 on the Nasdaq. We rejected that 50 on the 1 minute, but will we hold the 20 at 71? Continue driving. Well, I'm done trading. Nobody's watching the stream. I'm gonna take it down. Thanks for watching, YouTube.